हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू स्टेनो आर्मी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग 120 WPM पर एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। इस डिक्टेशन को लिखने के बाद में हम लोग इसी डिक्टेशन से रेलेवेंट फ्रेजियोग्राफी की भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। उसका मैं आपको डिक्टेशन भी दूंगा जिससे आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस को और अच्छी से इम्प्रूव कर पाओगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं 120 WPM से। लेट्स स्टार्ट। 3, 2, 1। Today, the country is growing at a double digit GDP, but at the same time, there are thousands of farmers who are committing suicides every single year. This is at such a rate that maintains a count of how many farmers commit suicide every day. This is sad state of affairs which is existing in the country. I feel that for every farmer who commits suicide, the country is falling one step down. This paper aims at looking into the various causes for these suicides and the structural change which was taken place during the 1990 that has created such a sad state of affairs. And the deaths of every such farmer are the transitional cost which the country is paying. A peculiar feature of Indian farmers is that they are the price takers both from the input and from the output market side. Because of this reason, the farmers are pushed to such a state that the input costs and the cost of credit are so high, while the output prices are very low. As a result, there is a decline in profitability and returns from cultivation. As a known fact, agriculture in India is referred to as gamble of the monsoon, which means it's too much dependent on nature, that is, the irrigation facilities are underdeveloped. In short, the risks involved in Indian agriculture are income, yield, price, input, technology, and credit. These factors push the farmers into various economic, social, political, individual, and environmental crises which are facing the farmers to commit suicides. This number has recently been skyrocketing post 1990, that is the period when the economy has been opened for the global markets. This has been majority in the big five states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. There has been a huge transactional step taken up by the state, which is the opening up of domestic markets for the global competition. And further in the paper, we would see the cost the society and the economy is paying as a result of the transactional step towards globalization, especially for a country which is not ready to cope up with the global markets. Suicides of farmers, which are complex and manifold, are caused by various reasons which can be traced back to ancomia and policy changes during 1990s. Indebtedness of farmers is one of the main issues driving them to commit suicide. Problem starts off with availability of time credit. Banking sector is not ready to provide credit loan to agriculture for avoiding risk, with the breakdown of formal credit structures will make the farmers to increased reliance on informal sectors. Agriculture always has demanded for the last minute credit, and last minute credit comes at higher rates because of the classic demand theory. The more the demand, higher the price. The banks play no role in this, as it is not possible to get credit from banks. Informal sources of credit come only with greater interest burden, leading the farmers to a vicious circle of private debt. Farmers want credit for buying seeds, pesticides, and other major inputs, huge amount of credits is also taken by them for installing tube wells. Well, we can see credit is needed by them in every aspect they work in. There is a further lack of credit availability for small farmers, whether available is of very high interest. Lack of irrigation facilities is another major cause for the suicides. As said earlier in the paper, the agriculture is called as the gamble of monsoons. There is clearly a lack of proper irrigational facilities. Whether there is a failure of monsoons, there is failure of crop. This is the scenario in most parts of the country. This is mainly because there is no concentration on micro irrigational projects which are more effective. Lack of irrigational facilities would lead to failure of crops. Crop loss can also happen due to excessive ultimately rain, say during the time of harvest. Further crop failure can lead to economic downfall and make it difficult to repay existing loans. Crop failures occur mainly due to lack of water, overutilization of pesticides and insecticides. Soil fertility is dying because of extensive use of fertilizers and pesticides. This is a major crisis for decreasing yields in Punjab. This is mainly because there is lack of proper education to the farming community, as the existing society don't need such a kind of technical know-how. Farmer has regularly lost crops to drought, dry wells and pests in the past 7 years. The farmers has stopped farming cotton because of pests. This drove hundreds of farmers to suicide in Warangal, another of the state's district. The cash crops in the region of Andhra and Maharashtra are largely cultivated under poor agronomic conditions with low levels of irrigation. This type of diversity, dictated by backwardness and adversity, hardly makes for any stability. If anything, it adds to stability and vulnerability. On a whole, the trade liberalization policies of the government regarding opening up the domestic agriculture market is a transition from the traditional structures of the Indian agriculture, which can be referred to as a path breaking step, but the cost which the society is paying is the life of hundreds of thousands of the farmers, and the development which took place is at the cost of farmers and the degradation of their lives. Stop. सो गाइस, ये हमने 120 WPM पर फार्मर्स सुसाइड के ऊपर इंपॉर्टेंट डिक्टेशन लिखा है. अब ये डिक्टेशन की PDF आप डिस्क्रिप्शन से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. उसमें अपनी गलतियां चेक करिए कि कौन सी आपकी गलतियां रिपीट हुई है, उनको सुधारने की कोशिश करिए. अब मैं आपको इस डिक्टेशन से रिलेटेड ही कुछ फ्रेजेस की प्रैक्टिस कराने वाला हूं. इनको आप लिखिए, उसके बाद में इनकी प्रैक्टिस करना. पहले एक बार आप लिख कर देख लीजिए. सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट. एग्रेरियन क्राइसिस, डेट बर्डन, क्रॉप फेलियर, ड्रॉट, पेस्टिसाइड पॉइजनिंग, रूरल डिस्ट्रेस, लोन डिफॉल्ट्स, social isolation, mental health, farmer distress, land disputes, government policies, crop prices, inadequate support, climate change, farmer suicides, family pressure, lack of irrigation, market fluctuations, exploitative middlemen, inadequate financial assistance, poor infrastructure, lack of alternative income sources, lack of education and awareness, crop diseases, excessive interest rates, water scarcity, genetically modified seeds, farm subsidies, government compensation schemes, land acquisition issues. Stop. सो ये जो फ्रेजेस की डिक्टेशन आपने लिखी है, इसको अब चेक करिए कि आपके कौन से फ्रेजेस जो हैं वो नहीं बने, और फिर उनकी प्रैक्टिस करिए. उसके बाद में आप वापस से इस डिक्टेशन को लिखिए, या फिर सिर्फ इन फ्रेजेस की अगर आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी हो तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में टाइम स्टैम्प डाल दूंगा, जिससे आप डायरेक्टली ये फ्रेजेस का ही डिक्टेशन लिख पाओगे। इसी टाइप के और डिक्टेशन लिखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। और अगर आपकी स्पीड में कोई इशू आ रहा है, स्पीड नहीं बढ़ रही है, तो इस वीडियो को देख लीजिए जिससे आपको क्लियर हो जाए। तो चलिए, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।